Good morning, children. I hope you all are well and good. Now today, in our second session of English DR words, we are going to revise and write the same words we did in our first session. I also have a new set of DR words for you to understand the DR blend better. Now these words we are just going to read out, but we will write only the first set of words. So are you ready for today's session? Let's begin. DR words. Say children, this is a drop. D-R-O-P, drop. Dr-O-P, drop. Drop is a small amount of liquid, round in shape. Have you seen a drop of water, a drop of rain? Yes, drop को हम बूंद भी कहते हैं. Now this is a drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Drink is a liquid that we swallow into the mouth, like different juice, cocktails, cold drinks are all different kind of drinks. Drum. Dr-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Drum is musical instrument that we play in orchestra. ड्रम को हम ढोल भी कहते हैं, जिसे ऑर्केस्ट्रा में बजाया जाता है. आपने देखा है ना बच्चों? Now this is picture of a drill. Drill. D-R-I-L-L, drill. It is a machine or a tool that is used to make holes in walls or something else. Drill एक मशीन है जिससे दीवारों पे छेद किया जाता है. Now in this picture, girl is drawing something on paper. Draw. D-R-A-W, draw. Draw. Draw means to do something with a pen or pencil on a paper. D-R-A-W, draw. Here are few more DR words for you. D-R-Y, dry. Dry means free from moisture or liquid, not wet. Dry का मतलब होता है सूखा. यहाँ देखो बच्चों, कपड़े धूप में सूख रहे हैं. So, ये कपड़े धूप में ड्राई हो जाएंगे, सूख जाएंगे. ड्राइव. D-R-I-V-E, drive. Drive means to control the direction and speed of a motor vehicle. Drive का मतलब होता है चलाना, मोटर गाड़ी चलाना. Now, this picture is a dress. 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 D-R-E-S-S, dress. Dress is one-piece garment for a woman or girl. And to dress means to put on one's cloth. Dress का मतलब होता है पोशाक. Drip. D-R-I-P, drip. D-R-I-P, drip. Drip means a liquid so wet that it sheds small drops. Drip का मतलब होता है टपकना. जैसे यहाँ ये गीला पेंट कैसे टपक रहा है. Drag. Drag. D-R-A-G, drag. Drag means to pull along something forcefully or with difficulty. Drag का मतलब होता है कुछ खींचना. जोर से दम लगा के खींचना. So kids, let us again write DR words. We will write the same words that we wrote in our first session. You have to draw 3 lines in this way. So, first we will write date. Today's date 18.8.20. Now we'll write heading. Leave some space. Touch the red line and write D R, one finger space, WORDS, words. DR, words. Now, do you remember? Our first word is drop. 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 DROP, drop. So we'll write close to the margin D. So from red line to blue line, make a standing line, straight, go up, C curve from blue line to blue line, D. Then from blue line to blue line, straight standing line, go up and make a small curve, R. A small round from blue line to blue line, O. Now from blue line to red line, make a straight standing line, go up. From blue line to blue line, make a reverse C curve, P. D-R-O-P, drop. Drop is a small amount of liquid in round shape. Now our next word is drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. So, we'll write D. From red line to blue line, make a straight standing line, go up, make a C curve from blue line to blue line, D. Now, from blue line to blue line, make a small standing line, go up and a small curve, R. Then from blue line to blue line, a straight standing line and a small dot above, I. Again a straight standing line from blue line to blue line, go up, curve, take a turn, come down, touch the second blue line, N. Now we'll write K. So to write K, first from red line to blue line, make a straight standing line. Now from the first blue line, make a slanting line and touch the standing line. Now on the slanting line, leave a small gap and make a small slanting line and touch the second blue line, K. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Drink is a liquid that we swallow into the mouth. Drum. 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 D-R-U-M, drum. So we'll write D. From red line to blue line, make a straight standing line, go up, make a C curve from blue line to blue line, D. To write R, from blue line to blue line, go up, make a small curve, R. Now again from first blue line to second blue line, make a straight standing line, make a curve, go up, again come down with a straight line, U. Now M. So to write M, from first blue line to second blue line, a straight line. On the same straight line, go up, take a turn, come down, touch the second blue line. Again go up, turn, come down, touch the second blue line. M. D-R-U-M, drum. आपको पता है ड्रम का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, ड्रम का मतलब होता है ढोल. Drum is a musical instrument, right? Now our next word, drill. D-R-I-L-L, drill. D-R-I-L-L, drill. So we'll write D. From red line to blue line, make a straight standing line. Up to the first blue line, make a C curve, touch the second blue line. D. Now write R. From blue line to blue line, straight standing line, go up, make a small curve. R. I. Standing line from first blue line to second blue line and a small dot on the top. L. That is a straight line from red line to blue line. Again L. Red line to second blue line. D-R-I-L-L, drill. Drill is a tool or a machine that is used to make holes. Now our last word is draw. D-R-A-W, draw. Draw or draw. So we'll write D first. So from red line to second blue line, make a straight standing line. From first blue line to second blue line, make a C curve. D. R. From blue line to blue line, a straight standing line, go up and a small curve. R. Now we'll write A. So to write A, make a C curve from blue line to blue line, go up, a straight line, come down. A. W. So first make a slanting line from first blue line to second blue line. Again a slanting line to the right. Again come down with a slanting line and one more line and touch the first blue line. W. D-R-A-W, draw. Draw means to do something with a pen or a pencil on a paper. Now let us once again revise all these DR words. D-R-O-P, drop. D-R-O-P, drop. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-I-L-L, drill. D-R-I-L-L, drill. D-R-A-W, draw. D-R-A-W, draw. So kids, same way you have to write in the second, third and fourth column. Dear kids, keep practicing and keep writing. See you again in next session with a new concept. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.